Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is teacher Nisma and today inshallah we will learn the second lesson in our new course, the Arabic for Beginners. Today inshallah in this lesson we will learn a very interesting and important topic. So bring your beautiful notebook and let's begin. Look at these examples and watch out how the ending of each word changes. The ending here I mean the last vowel or the last grammatical case. هذا الولد ذكي. قابل محمد هذا الولد. تقابلت مع هذا الولد الذكي. مع هذا الولد الذكي حقيبة. Look at the endings of all the words in these sentences. You will find that some words like the words مع and هذا, their ending sound doesn't change wherever they're placed in the sentence. While other words, for example the word al-walad and the key, the last vowel sound changes when we change their place in the sentence. Why does this happen and how to choose the suitable ending for each word in the sentence? Let's see how. The words in Arabic can be معرب or مبني. What is معرب and what is مبني? معرب means there is a change happens to the word at the end, at the last vowel and the grammatical case, when we change its place in the sentence. While مبني means there is no change happens for the word wherever it's placed in the sentence. So its grammatical case stays the same, its last vowel stays the same if we change it and put it in different places in the sentence. The question now is, what are the words that are معرب and the words that are مبني? We learned it in the previous lesson, lesson 1. If you didn't watch it, see it first please. You will find the link in the description box. So we learned in that lesson that the whole Arabic words are one of the three categories. اسم or فعل or حرف. All اسم words are معرب except for some groups that are مبني. What are these groups? For example, الضمائر, the pronouns, or like أنا, I, هو, he, أنت, you for a man, أنتم, you for a group, هم, they, and الأسماء الموصولة or the relative pronouns like الذي, who or that or which for singular masculine, الذين, who or that for plural, التي, who or that or which for feminine singular, and أسماء الإشارة, the demonstratives like هذا, هذه, this, هؤلاء, these, and أسماء الاستفهام, the question words like أين, كيف, متى, and some adverbs that show us the place and time like the word منذ, since, and the word حيث, wherever, and the word الآن, now, and some condition words like إذا, if. I have already explained some of these groups in previous lessons. I leave the links for them in the description box inshallah. So now all اسم words are معرب except for some groups that are مبني. What about الفعل? All فعل words are مبني except for the فعل that shows present time. That is something happening now or happens usually. Like when we say يكتب or يأكلان or تفعلون. Only these verbs that are in present can be معرب and the whole other verbs are مبني. So أكل, ate, مبني. قالوا, they said, مبني. افعل, do, مبني. All verbs in the past or in the order form are مبني. But verbs in present, like that shows present time, like يأكل, eats, يذهب, goes, يسمع, listens, all these are معرب. What about الحرف? الحرف, all حرف words are مبني with no exception. Now let's recap what we have learned today. Today we learned that all words in Arabic that are اسم and فعل and حرف can be معرب or مبني. All اسم words are معرب. So الولد معرب, محمد معرب, الحقيبة معرب, البحر معرب, except for some groups that are مبني like الضمائر أنا وهو وهي، أسماء الإشارة هذا وهذه، الأسماء الموصولة الذي والتي، أسماء الاستفهام أين وكيف وماذا. Some adverbs that shows place and time الآن منذ حيث. Some condition words like إذا that means if. All these groups are مبني. الفعل all فعل words are مبني. So the فعل that shows past time an action happens in the past, or someone who is ordering someone to do something, this is also مبني. But for the action that is happening now or happens in usual, this is shows present time, they are معرب. And all حرف words are مبني. I hope this is all clear for you. Now it's time for exercise or الواجب. But before we say الواجب, let me thank all my hard-working students who had sent their homework on our Telegram channel. Thank you so much for your great effort. I really appreciate that you learn Arabic language. And now let's see our today's homework. Look at these words. Which word of these words can be معرب and which word can be مبني? محمد يشرب drinks or is drinking، أكل ate، في in، حيث wherever، البنت the girl، هم they، الذين who or that، كيف how، جديد new، تقفز jumps or is jumping، مسلم Muslim، أنت you، تقولون say or are saying، نحن we، مع with، قل say in the order form like you are ordering someone to say something، قل say، تكتبان write or are writing، الآن now، التي who or that or which، أين where، عائشة is a name، معلمات teachers female teachers، أشجار trees، فعلوا did، أنا I، مكتب a desk. That's it for today's class. I hope you understand our lesson today and don't forget to send the homework on Telegram channel. مع السلامة.